first thing you need to do is come to website. So from your site, you come here under form, you see your builder. This to analyze, that is to check the statistics, and here to check who and who are submitted. So the first thing you need to do is go to your builder. Now add form. Now this is the name of your form 0, and to change it you come here to options, then I can give it message request. Now you click down, so you add your field. Maybe I want to have my first name, last name, phone number, email. Now I can click here to make it required, that is compulsory. You can see that asterisk on it now. So this is the placeholder. I can say enter your first name here, same here, enter your last name here. So there's something called label. This is the label. This first name at the top is the label. So I can decide to switch off all the label. So I'll just come to style. So I switch off the label. Then I don't want my font to be too long. So I can make it maybe 2 column. So to make it 2 column, I turn this inline form on. You can see. So I can say phone number. Now let's take for instance, I have some custom questions that are not here. Maybe your sex, your gender rather. So I will just come here to custom field, add a custom field. Now, if my custom field, I want them to select just one. So you see, this is how it's going to display. Or if it's this, something like this, if it's drop down as well. So you pick any that I want to use. So I'm using this. So I'll click, then I'll say gender. So this can be male, then another option female. Now maybe I've made the mistake. Here is to rearrange. This drag up or down. Then group, I can say maybe this should be part of their general info. So I click on save. After saving, it's going to come here. Then I drag it here. So that's the network. Let me search for it. Standard custom field. Can add it again. Guess that's the network. Gender, male, then female. Then this can be under the another contact. Then I click on save. Guess that's the network. So if I refresh, it's going to be here. So this is your button, that is your submit. So I click here, submit. Then maybe I want to have a test, like to give them some information. So I can say basic information. So I can change it size. So the weight outtake can use 605. Then I can change the color, the shadow, the padding, and everything. So this is my font color. So this is the background. You can see, but I don't want to use any background. So the submit button, I can make it fill width, that is to be full. So once you come here, you see, then you can change the color as well to any color of your choice. So you can just play around and change the radius maybe to 30, or let's say 20 should be fine. This system, yeah. So let's check our custom field again. So we can just reload next time to check if that is there, then I can save. Then I have my form. Then let's take for instance, I want them to leave like a place like message. So let me just add this text box. You can see, but I want to use this multi-line because yeah, I want to your message. So this can be under additional info. You know why this network. So let's refresh. So you can see gender, the message. You can see both are blank because there is no label. So I can just put gender here, then the message. So then I save. I can still decide to work on some editing here as well. I can add some custom code. So I'm going to give you some custom code at the end of this course as well. So I can get the link here by using integrate. So this is copy the form link. So I can preview the form. Still loading. You can see. So I can decide to extend as I like due to how long my test will be. So I can copy this embedded code, that is I want to use it on my website. So let's try it out as well. So I will show you how everything works. So you can also make it your pop-up, copy the code as well, or I want to make it inline. So I want to use inline now. So I copy embedded code. So I come to my website, I log in. So I can just come to the very top or come here to add a new page. So I think there's a page here named contact. So I can just come there and click on edit depending on whatever page builder you are using. So you can use the code anywhere. It can be on your landing page, on your website, anywhere. So let's see how it's going to work. So we're still waiting for it to load. So this one here, this was built with WP form. So I can delete this. Then I search for my HTML widget, drag it there. Then I paste my code. Then here you have my form. You see. So once anyone fill this automatically, I'm going to see the response directly from my Gohighlevel account. So let's see how it works now. So let's see. Yeah. The reason why it reloads this page is because we didn't set our thank you page. So you can just come here, maybe send message, thanks for registering, and so on. So once I come back here, you can come to my submissions. You can see this guy, you can see that is directly from the website, from my website. So we can actually know the source. So here, analyze as well to know the number of people who have actually viewed as well. You can see submissions one. You see, so you can view the submission as well. So once I click on this guy, you can see. So that's how it works for form. Thank you.